What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Now, listen, I'm just another video, another lesson call that I gave that, you know what I mean? People don't be thinking these lessons be real. People be thinking I be bullshitting. People don't be thinking that people don't be getting their lessons. Now, let them know what you learned. Let them know what all you got, and let them know, like, what was valuable to you. Like, what did you get your lesson or not? Did you get some good information?
Yes, sir. King Hussle is definitely the truth. Definitely a valid source to get all your fraud needs, you heard?
What all you learn about?
I learned the Cashapp glitch.
Did I break that down to you well enough? Like, do you understand it now? Like, do it make sense?
Yes, I learned about the socks and proxies. You know what I'm saying? I learned how to hustle off my iPhone. This got some valid sources to get some income going.
How much you pay for the Unlimited Gems FaceTime 101 call?
$600.
Was it worth it?
Yes, sir.
Did I actually break down the sauce and let you know like what's really going on and how to really make thousands of dollars all profit?
Yes, sir.
This ain't no, you know what I mean? People, this ain't no, you know what I mean? Like, oh, hold on. Let me go to, you know what I mean? Like, it's real business, you know what I mean? People like, you know what I'm saying? Any tapped in with the what's the names, you know what I'm saying? When I had people sending screenshots and all that, so you know, you a real fan, you really want to learn how to make some money, you gonna really tap in. And when you really tap in, I'm gonna really get you together. All you gotta understand is that everybody not like I got a lot of people tapping in for these lessons. Either you gonna skip the line or y'all gotta hold on because a lot of how long was you on the phone for? Over what, an hour or some shit like that?
Yeah, over an hour.
Let me see. They would say on the call. We was on the phone for over an hour. All gems, all information. So make sure y'all tapping in, coming to get y'all lessons so you can really learn the game, so you can really learn how to make some money instead of being stuck and reading information that you never had before. And for the people who do know what they're doing, shout out to y'all because y'all understand the magnitude of what's really going on. Y'all took y'all time, y'all took y'all efforts, and y'all actually learned how to do something. You understood, and if you had some questions, you asked me, I helped you, and you got some money. So tap in, get y'all lessons. Tap in, get these 8 instant cash out methods plus one free live card for $320. FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems 600. Don't miss out. It's your boy King Hussle. Another lesson done, another voucher because we really getting it in. And I'm going to see y'all later, man. Peace.